In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year on Google Earth and view satellite images from different dates using the Google Earth mobile app. First, make sure you have the Google Earth app installed on your phone or tablet and that it's updated to the latest version. Open the app and give it a moment to load. You'll see the familiar globe view, and you can use one finger to drag and move around, or use two fingers to pinch and zoom in or out. Start by searching for the place you want to explore. Tap the search icon at the top. Type the name of a city, landmark, or a specific address, and then select it from the results. Google Earth will automatically fly you to that location and zoom in. Once you're at your chosen location, adjust the zoom level so you can clearly see the area you're interested in. This helps when switching between different imagery dates because small changes become easier to spot. Now, to change the year or view older satellite images, look for the time slider or imagery date options. On the mobile app, these are usually accessed from the menu. Tap the three-line menu icon or the layers icon, depending on your version. In the options that appear, look for something related to map style, terrain, or imagery. If historical imagery is available for your location on mobile, you'll see a timeline or date selector you can interact with. Tap on the date or drag along the timeline to move between different years or available imagery dates. Each time you change the date, the map will refresh and show how that place looked at that point in time. Some locations will have multiple years available, while others may have only one or two, depending on how often satellites have captured that area. If you don't see a time slider or historical imagery option, it may mean that, on mobile, historical images are limited or not available for that specific location. In that case, try zooming out a little or choosing a major city, as these often have more archived imagery. Take a moment to slowly switch between a few different years and compare. Look for changes in buildings, roads, vegetation, or construction sites. This is a great way to study development over time, or simply explore how a place has evolved. When you're done, you can tap the back arrow or reset the date to the most recent imagery to return to the default view. That's how you change the year and explore different satellite dates in the Google Earth mobile app.